Hi guys! Welcome back again to my YouTube channel. So for today's video guys, Car Brian, come here! Car Brian! So, for today's video, ay tuturuan ko yung pamangking ko tungkol sa ano-anong uri ng mga animals. He is 2 years old only. Car Brian, come here! Dali! Pasarawa yun, uy! Awoo! Dali, dali, dali! Oh, dali na yan. Oh, yan oh. Yan oh. Yan, come here. Are you ready, Car Brian? Where's the dog? Where's the dog? Yay! What is the sound of dog? Very good. Where's the elephant? Elephant. Elephant. Yeah, elephant. Elephant. Where's the elephant? Where's the elephant? Elephant. Yay! Where's the horse? Where's the horse? Yay! Very good. Where's the pig? Where's the pig? Pig. Pig. Yay! What is the sounds of pig? He is only 2 years old, guys, but he know already any kinds of animals. Where's the ano? Where's the cat? Oh, yes. Where's the cat? Yan. Oh. Where's the cat? Yay! That is the sounds of cat. Yan. Where's the tiger? Get up. Yes, tiger. Tiger. Yay! Bright naman yan. Where's the crocodile? Where's the crocodile? Where's the crocodile? Crocodile. Wow! Very good! Where's the duck? Yan, where's the duck? Duck. Yay! Very good! You're so excellent! Yan, baka diyan. Yan. Where's the lion? Where's the lion? Yes, the lion. The lion. Come here. Yes. Come here. Where's the lion? Where's the lion? Yes. Where's the lion? Come here. Lion. Yes, lion. No, that's not lion. Yeah, no. Where's the lion? You forgot it. Yes! Very good. Always remember that is the lion, huh? Where's the zebra? The zebra. Zebra. You forgot it? Oh! Where is it? Zebra, that is giraffe. The zebra, where is it? You forgot it? Zebra. That is giraffe. This is the zebra. No. So, ikaw pa yung may alam. Ian, where's the cow? Where's the cow? Cow. Yes, cow. Yay! Very good. Where's the goat? Where's the goat? Goat. Goat. Where's the goat? That is a donkey. Goat. Where's the goat? Look, oh. This is the goat. You forgot it again? Where's the chicken? Look, guys. The chicken. Where is the chicken? Very good. That is hen and rooster. But they call chicken. Kapasarawa yun, uy. Thank you for watching my video, guys. I hope you like it.